Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I have an OHM Beads unboxing video to share of the January 2023 release. It actually is already launched at the time you're seeing this video. So all these beads are currently available. There's 3 in the collection and they're so cool. So I'm very excited to open this up and take a closer look at all the details with you. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I am enjoying a matcha latte. It's actually called pumpkin pie matcha from DAVIDsTEA and it tastes so good. And if you're looking carefully on the screen, you'll see my own beads mug, and on it is an early design for Chinese New Year that incorporates 3 of the beads from this collection. And actually, there are only 3 beads in this release. So very excited to share with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, let's just take a moment to appreciate the packaging in here. I love how it's scented and everything is presented so beautifully. You can actually shop the whole collection as well on OHM Beads' website, and they come in these lovely boxes. It's so cool. So here's a look at the different bead boxes inside. And a huge thank you to OHM Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without you. So thank you so much. Also, feel free to use my own ambassador code Emily in all capital letters to save 22% off nature and flower themed beads. Now let's head on over to Infinite Love. This is a Y class bead from OHM Beads. So you can put this at the end of some of your OHM Beads bracelets. It is so pretty. And I love it because you basically have this beautiful heart detail that is intertwined, connecting the infinity symbol. It's really cute because the heart is almost hidden into the design. So you don't quite notice it right away. And then you turn it around and you'll see the heart, and it rotates and moves in many different ways. I was so excited to add this to my OHM Beads bracelet. So you'll see a future bracelet design of this in the future, which I'm really excited to share. You can find the hallmarks and everything on the back, which I just showed. And then here's another look at it here. Now, if you want a little spoiler of what it looks like on a bracelet, my last OHM Beads video that I posted, I do share a bracelet design with it on there if you want to take a look. And I do believe I'll have another video coming out where you can see another look at it. It is really pretty, and I always love adding a new Y class into my collection. It just adds such a beautiful piece. If you just want to wear your own beads bracelet, like just plain, it's such a pretty detail like added onto it. I just love it. Now the next one, oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. It just catches the light, and it almost has this like kind of twinkly glimmer flash detail to it. It looks kind of fiery, and the colors are kind of like an auburn, orange, red. And actually my own rock just came in today without too many spoilers. And I think this is going to match it beautifully. So I'm so excited. Here's a little bit about what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. Harness your dragon power now, imbued with the extraordinary properties of Bloodstone to amplify your protective shield. Just as the dragon is known for its strength and resilience, Bloodstone is often considered a protective stone, creating a formidable barrier around the wearer, guarding them from negative energies, harmful influences, and psychic attacks. Allow Bloodstone to infuse life into your soul. Much like the mythical creature, it acts as a powerful talisman, enabling you to conquer obstacles and fears with unwavering courage and vitality. Moreover, this remarkable gemstone connects you to the Earth's energy, grounding you in the present moment and fostering a sense of balance. It paves the way for inner wisdom and spiritual growth, mirroring the transformative energies of the Year of the Dragon. Since this is Bloodstone, a gemstone, it does vary in color and color combination. If you actually check out the link down below in my description bar, I'll have a direct link where you can find this bead. You'll notice that some of them will have kind of mixtures of green and that bloodstone red detailing and stuff too. So keep that in mind when you're ordering this. If you're tempted to get one, it is so cool, but definitely going to vary in color variation. The last bead I have to share with you is called the Dragon Disco, and I'm so excited to share this. I have quite the collection now with these Chinese New Year lion beads, and they're all so cool, and they all reflect, the year. So this one's Dragon Disco, Year of the Dragon, and it is so cool. The details on it are so cool. You can probably spot the hallmark right at the bottom of the jaw. And this, like the other ones that have been released in previous years, the jaw opens and closes. One thing I noticed though, I'll just share this. It feels a little stiffer than my other ones, but in a good way. Like I feel like my other ones like would open up fairly like easily if I was, especially if I was wearing the bracelet, where depending on how you want the jaw to go, like it stays pretty closed pretty well and then it kind of opens. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but I thought that was really cool. You can see all the amazing details on the sides, the little ears, like I love it. It's so cool. I can't wait to compare it with my other ones and like do a Chinese New Year bracelet. Actually, let me just share with you my 2024 OHM Beads Chinese New Year themed bracelet, Lunar New Year themed bracelet. I'm really happy with how it's turned out so far, but it's still a work in progress. I still want to add a couple more beads onto here. So if you have any ideas, please let me know down below on what else you would add to this. I'm loving the lanterns, the pops of red. And I just love that you can compare all the different lions together. They're so special and unique, and I really look forward to seeing each one every year that OHM Beads releases. It's really fun to have like a bead to look forward to. It's almost like a bead of the year, you know what I mean? It's really cool. Anyway, let's head back into Dragon Disco so we can take a more detailed look at it. It also, if you guys are curious, you can add it and wear it as a necklace. It has a hole up at the top for your OHM Beads ball necklace, so it's very easy to wear. And then here's another look at the hallmarks, and then here's me just playing with the jaw. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this bead. It's so cool. But anyway, that is it for today's OHM Beads unboxing. Here's a look at all 3 beads that have just recently launched for January. Do you guys have a favorite? If so, let me know down below. I'm actually torn. I love like the Dragon Stone, Dragon Disco, like, and then Infinity Love. Like, all of these I'm excited to design with and to do different designs. So please let me know what you think down below. And I'm wishing you all a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.